everyone. My name is Loriano Bicanales.
My name is Christian Cervantes,
And we are Grateful Media. Today, we are here to discuss about multimedia and information communication technology or ICT have totally reshaped our daily lives and the way we learn.
So, what is multimedia? Multimedia is like an ultimate combo where it is when you mix together different types of content like text, audio, images, animation, and video to create something really engaging. Think about the last time you watched YouTube tutorial or scroll through an interactive website. That is a multimedia.
Second is, why is multimedia important? Multimedia has changed the game because the different learning styles. Some of us learn better via video, others prefer to read, and some other interactive content to really grasp concepts. Thank you.
Now let's talk about ICT. This is a broad term that covers any product that will store, retrieve, manipulate, transmit, or receive information electronically. So your smartphone, laptop, and even the internet are part of ICT. ICT has made it so simple to access information like you're doing right now watching this vlog. Communicate with others all over the world and create and share our own content. It is a powerful tool that can be understood for education, healthcare. So in the 21st century, knowing how to use ICT effectively is a must-have skill. It is not just about knowing how to use specific software or devices, but also about understanding how to find reliable information. Protect your privacy and communicate in a digital world.
Okay, let's proceed. How multimedia and ICT work together. Multimedia and ICT are like best buddies. ICT provides the platforms and tools we need, like computers, the internet, and software. In turn, multimedia uses these tools to create educational content, marketing materials, entertainment, and so much more.
So multimedia and ICT have opened up a world of possibilities. They made it easier for us to connect, learn, and express ourselves. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It is more important to use these tools wisely and stay safe online.